Volume of triangular prisms. So whenever you want to find the volume of any prism, you're going to do the area of the base times the height. So this big B stands for the area of the base. So I'm talking about the base, I'm talking about these faces, like this is a triangular face, this is a triangular face, and I have rectangles going around. So it's a triangular prism. I need to find the area of this and then multiply it times the height of the prism. And this says since the base is a triangle, we have to use the formula for area of a triangle, which is half of base times height. So I have to find the area of this triangle and then multiply this area times the height. That's the big B. Okay, let's try this one. So we're going to find the volume of this triangular prism. The formula is volume equals the area of the base times the height of the prism. The base is a triangle, so I know to find this, I'm going to do base times height divided by 2. Now this may be confusing because I'm saying base and height here, and I'm saying base and height here. This is talking about the prism, the bottom, the base, and the height of the prism. This base and height is just talking about the triangle. The triangle has a base and a height. And I'm going to use those to find the area of this triangle. So let's do that. The base is 6, the height is 7, and I'm going to divide by 2. That's how to find the area of this triangle. Once I get that, I'm going to multiply it times the height of the prism to get the total volume. So 6 times 7 is 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. So now that I have that the area of this triangle is 21 inches squared, I need to multiply that area times the height. So the area of the base times the height, the area of the base is 21, the height is 10. And I know anything times 10, I'm adding a 0, so the total volume is 210 inches cubed. This was squared and this is cubed, because this is just talking about the area of a two-dimensional shape. It's cubed because now I'm talking about the volume of a 3D solid. Also, Ms. Gardner mentioned you're multiplying 2 dimensions to find this area. That will help you remember the 2. And when you get the volume, you're multiplying 3 dimensions. So that will help you to remember the 3. Okay, let's try this one. Using the same formula, I need the area of the base times the height of the prism. The base is a triangle. So to find the area of this, I need to use the formula how to find the area of the triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. Or sometimes you'll see it written half of base times height. It's the same thing. So I'm going to do 8 times 5 and divide by 2. 8 times 5 is 40, divided by 2 is 20. So I know the area of this triangle is 20 millimeters squared. So I'm going to use that. That's the area of my base. And I'm going to multiply it times the height of the prism, which is 12. And 20 times 12 is 240 millimeters cubed. That's the volume. Last one. So they can look different ways. All these look kind of different from each other, right? But they're still triangles at the base. No matter what the triangle looks like, they all have triangular bases. So volume equals the area of the base times the height of the prism. So I'm going to find the area of the base. Base times height divided by 2, the base and height of just the triangle. 5 times 4 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the area of this triangle is 10 inches squared. I'm going to multiply that area times the height of the prism. So to get the volume, I'm going to multiply 10, the area of this triangle, times 7. And so the volume is 70 inches.